Hello, today we will guide you through how to save slide as PNG with transparent background in PowerPoint. To begin, open PowerPoint and go to the presentation where you want to create your transparent PNG. If you are starting from scratch, that is perfectly fine too. The goal here is to export a shape as an image file while keeping the background transparent, which is especially useful for graphics, icons, overlays, or elements you want to place into other designs later. Once PowerPoint is open, move to the top left area of the window and click on Insert. This tab gives you access to the tools used for adding visual elements to your slide, including shapes, pictures, and other objects. From the Insert menu, click on Shapes. A drop-down will appear showing a variety of shape options, such as rectangles, circles, arrows, and more. Choose a sample shape that fits what you want to save. After selecting it, click and drag on the slide to draw the shape. You can make it any size you need. For best results, try to keep the slide area around the shape empty, so it is easier to focus on the object you want to export. Next, right-click on the shape you just created. This opens a context menu with several options related to that object. In that menu, look for Save as Picture and click it. This is the key step that allows PowerPoint to turn the shape into an image file instead of saving the entire slide. A Save window will appear. In that window, click on the File Type drop-down and select PNG. PNG is important here because it supports transparent backgrounds, unlike some other image formats. After choosing PNG, continue by following the on-screen prompts to complete the save process. You can choose the folder where you want the file to go and give it a clear name so it is easy to find later. Once the file is saved, you can use it in other presentations, documents, websites, or design tools. If the shape had no surrounding background when exported, the PNG should preserve that transparency automatically. If you want a cleaner final image, it can also help to adjust the shape's fill color, outline, or size before saving, since what you see on the slide is generally what will be exported. That's it. You now know how to save a PowerPoint shape as a PNG with a transparent background.